Hi everyone, welcome back to our series on Scotland's amazing destinations. Today I'm excited to share our visit to an incredible landmark, the Glenfinnan Viaduct. Even though I'm not a huge fan of Harry Potter, I can honestly say this place is a must-see when you are in Scotland. The viaduct is about 3.5 hours away from Edinburgh, and it is quite easy to get to. Meanwhile, you can enjoy all the beautiful scenery along the way. The drive takes you through charming towns, rolling hills, and stunning landscapes, making the journey just as enjoyable as the destination itself. Whether you're driving or taking a train, the views are sure to impress you. One of the stops you absolutely have to make along the way is near Fort William and a place called Neptune Staircase. It's a series of 8 locks followed by 2 bridges that open and close. This is one of the oldest staircase locks in Scotland, and it's capable of raising your boat 64 feet to get into Loch Lochy. Watching the locks in action is fascinating and adds a unique experience to your journey. The locks extend about a mile further down, where you can find another unique artifact called the Corpach Shipwreck. This is one of the iconic places that aren't very well known, but it's very easy to get to. The shipwreck offers a striking and somewhat eerie sight against the backdrop of Ben Nevis Mountain, making it a perfect spot for photographers and explorers alike. There are a few good places to eat in Fort William, so we stopped at one of them for a meal, and after enjoying some delicious food, we continued our journey to Glenfinnan Viaduct. We first visited the local train station to check the schedule, since the train only passes the viaduct twice each day. Our first day there, due to the frequently changing weather and numerous stops we had to do along the way, we could only watch it depart. The next day we came a lot earlier, so as many others on this hike. As you can tell by looking at all these people, this place is very popular. Look at all these people came to watch the train, like Lumiere Brothers premiere. On our way back, we were fortunate to catch up with the train. Thankfully, the train tracks run parallel to the highway, and it makes several stops along the route. We even managed to capture a cool drone shot of the train in action.